This is just a regular version phone. How cool is OPPO? And hey, there's also a cooling fan. Look at this airflow. It even has a three-dimensional feel. And the OPPO logo has turned green again.
This is the K13 Turbo that OPPO is about to release.
Ah, a very handsome product.
When I first saw this packaging, I wondered if this was really made by OPPO. Doesn't it look very performance-driven and high-tech, like a custom device? Let's peel off the film. Look at these textures. Don't worry, they will all be displayed on the back panel in a moment.
The protective case inside is actually not transparent.
Oh, there are special textures printed on the phone case.
You can guess the shape of the back panel, right? Take out the phone, but don't peel off the film yet, because there's one more accessory at the bottom. Check out the charging head. This is an 80-watt Type A charger. What's outrageous is that there's even a fan cleaning brush inside the packaging. Now, let's peel the film off the real device.
Wow! Get ready, everyone. The first time you see the true appearance of this phone, you'll definitely be a bit shocked.
The color we have here is called Night Silver. Doesn't it have that metallic feel? The main thing is, look at this back panel with screws and special markings. It's like constantly conveying, buddy, my performance is powerful. Moreover, look at this part. Doesn't it have a three-dimensional feel? There's light blue mesh on it and this dark gray gradient, especially when the light refracts.
See it? This oval-shaped lens module in the upper left corner?
This is a lens. So what do you think this is? There's a small K logo printed on it.
That's right. This is a cooling fan. On the side's right-angle frame, you can see its air vent.
The thickness of this machine is 8.31 millimeters and it weighs 208 grams. The front features a 6.8-inch screen. So why show you the front? Naturally, it's because we want to turn on this cooling fan. Look, it even has a small breathing light. Let me let you hear its sound. Can you hear it? Isn't this a kind of mechanical romance? As for the airflow, brothers, feel it. Ha ha ha. In this hot summer, you don't have to worry about its cooling.
Apart from this silver one, because the head is quite big, I also got another one. Oh, sorry, I got the wrong one. I got a purple one. It's called Chuhao Purple.
I thought of that A12E from back then. The phone has a three-dimensional feel with special textures, a cooling fan, and a breathing light. It also features many green embellishments, and even the OPPO logo has turned green.
Hey, can I call you Green Grass now? So, which do you all prefer when we put Night Silver and Chuhu Purple together? For more details about this phone, see you after the launch event.